Among the options in the Effects tool, you will find the Fill function. Here you can create patterns and fills for any object. The patterns can be completely customized. Start by selecting which type of pattern that will be created. Here we will use the regular option. Mark an object or a group of objects that you want to create the fill pattern from. Then click on the star button. The star button stores the selected graphics to be used as the fill pattern. Then select the graphics that you wish to apply the fill to and edit the parameters for the pattern. When you have prepared all the parameters, click on Apply. You can edit the pattern parameters by clicking on the plus or minus symbols. Edge sets the distance between the fill and the edge of the selected graphics. Scale is used to shrink or grow the size of the selected fill objects. Spacing sets the distance between each object in the pattern.